Hello, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. O anong oras nyo napanood ang ating video. Welcome sa ating channel. Sa mga kaka-open lang ng channel nito, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel, Matuto Dapat, for more videos and lessons that I posted in this channel. This is your Professor, Engineer Eduardo Tapia, and our lesson for today is trade discount and discount series. Okay, we have some definition of terms. List price or LP, this the manufacturer or the distributor recommended retail price for the product. Ibig sabihin ito yung kumbaga tag price, no? Or the original price. Trade discount, TD, is a sum subtracted from the product's list price. So, ito yung tinatanggal, no? Ito yung discount na from the list price, ito yung binawas natin. And the discount rate in percent, D, is the percentage of the discount to the list price. And the net price in P, a resulting amount after a discount is deducted from the list price. So, kumbaga ito na yung pinaka net price mo. Okay? So, formula, net price equals LP times 1 minus D, or trade discount equals LP times small d. Last price equals NP over 1 minus D. NP, pwede po, ito ay ano lang to, derivation sa formula, and then kahit saan naman pwede, basta available lang yung mga nasa right side of the equation. NP equals LP minus TD, and small d is TD or the trade discount divided by the LP times 100, and LP pwede rin trade discount over the discount rate. Where LP is the list price, NP is the net price, TD is the trade discount, and small d is the discount rate. Example 1. A t-shirt in ABS department store is displayed with a list price of 250 pesos. But after deducting a discount, the net price is 200 pesos. How much is the discount and what is the discount rate? Ang given natin, ang list price ay 250 pesos. Ang ating net price ay 200 pesos. So solution for the discount, list price minus the net price. Ang list price ay 250 minus 200. Therefore, the trade discount ay 50 pesos. So minus lang natin. Magkano yung original price minus natin sa net price. And then next, solution for the discount rate. Small d equals TD, or the trade discount divided by the list price times 100. So 50 over 250 times 100, and that is 0.2 times 100 or equal to 20%. Ibig sabihin, 20% ng ating pong list price, yun po yung discount natin o discount rate. Okay, example number 2. The list price for a water dispenser is 15,400. Medyo mamahalin itong water dispenser na ito. You learn that a company or the company offers a discount rate of 35%. How much you pay at the counter if you buy this product and how much you save? List price ay 15,400 pesos. Ang discount rate ay 35% or 0.35. So sabi ng tanong natin, how much you pay at the counter if you buy this product? So ibig sabihin, we are looking for the net price. Okay, so the net price is NP equals LP times 1 minus D. So 15,400 times 1 minus 0.35, and that is 0.65 times 15,400. Therefore, the net price is 10,000 pesos and 10,010. Okay. Pesos, no? Oh, that is you paid at the counter. That is the net price. Okay? Solution for the trade discount kasi how much you save, no? Magkano ba yung ating natipid, no? So, trade discount equals LP minus NP. So, 15,400 minus 10,010. Ang ating pong trade discount ay 5,390 pesos. So, yun po yung ating na the discount amount is saved, right? Example 3. The cell phone unit has a discount of 500 pesos, which is 10% of the list price. How much is the list price and the net price of the cell phone? So, ang atin pong given, the trade discount ay 500 and the discount rate ay 10%. So, how much is the list price? So, we're looking for the list price. List price equals trade discount divided by small d. So, 500 divided by 0.10, 0.10. So, the list price now is 5,000. So, that is the original price of that cell phone. And solution for the net price, so LP minus trade discount or 5,000 minus 500, and that is 4,500 pesos. So, that is our net price. Okay, discount series. Ang discount series, ginagamit ito kapag maraming discount na binibigay doon sa certain products. So, to encourage more or to attract more customers, kaya nagkaroon po ng discount series. Okay, to solve this one, we have two methods na pwede natin gagamitin. Method 1, the net factor approach. So, you have net price equals LP times the product of 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2 times 1 minus D3. Kung ilan po yung discount rate na binibigay. No? In method 2, you have the single rate of equivalent discount. So, sa daming discount na binibigay, mayroong single rate equivalent to that. No? So, D sub is R, or the single rate. So, 1 minus times the product of the different discount rate. Okay? Example 4. A retailer store offers a series of discount 40%, 30%, and 10% on the computer set. So, ibig sabihin may tatlong rate na binibigay, no? Ibig sabihin, para mas bibilhin talaga ng customer. Daming discount mo naman, 40%, 30%, tapos 10%. Determine the net price if the list price of this product is 35,000 pesos. What is the single rate of equivalent discount? So, ang given natin, meron tayong tatlong discount rate, D1, D2, D3. So, 40%, 30%, 10%. And the list price is 35,000 pesos. So, using the net factor approach, no? Gagamitin natin ganitong formula. So, NP equals LP times the 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2 times 1 minus D3. So, 35,000 times 1 minus 0.4, that is the D1. 1 times 1 minus 0.3 times 1 minus 0.1. So that is 35,000 times 0.6 times 0.7 times 0.9. So therefore, the net price is 13,230 pesos. Yun na lang kung babayaran mo sa counter. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, grabe, bumaba, no? Bumaba. Now, what is the single rate of equivalent discount? Halimbawa, i-single rate natin, ano po ang equivalent discount rate natin? Okay. So, the single rate of equivalent discount, you have D sub SR equals 1 minus times the product of the discount rate. So, 1 minus D1 times 1 minus D2, 1 minus D3. So, that is 1 minus 0.04 times 1 minus 0.3 times 1 minus 0.1. Okay? So, multiply natin 0.6 times 0.7 times 0.9. So, our answer or the single rate discount offered to that computer set ay 62.2% or 0.622. Okay? So, 62.2%. No, kapag pagsamahin po natin yung tatlong discount rate. No, hindi po natin ipa-plus yung mga discount rate kundi ito po yung methods niya to find the equivalent single rate discount. So, ibig sabihin, if we have to multiply 35,000 pesos times 0.622, yung multiply natin doon sa list price, then makakuha po natin yung discount, no? Example 5. The 55 inches flat screen TV sell for sale at 38,500. If this price has a series of discount rate of 25%, 10%, and 5%, compute the following: A, single rate of equivalent discount; B, net price; C, trade discount. So, mayroon tayong tatlong rate: 25%, 10%, 5%, and then the list price is 38,500. Okay, so single rate of discount. So, yun yung letter A natin tanong, no? Yan, so the formula, and then substitute to the D1, D2, D3 doon sa formula, and then we come up 1 minus 0.75 times 0.9 times 0.95. And our answer for the letter A, the single rate discount is 35.88% or 0.3588. No? Times 100 para makuha natin percent, that is 35.88%. Net price, pwedeng itong formula ang ating gagamitin, no? The method 1. So 38,500 times 1 minus 0.25, 1 minus 0.1, 1 minus 0.05. Okay, so substitute, and then so you have to do some mathematical operations. Okay, and then we come up 38,500 times 0.6412. So the net price is 24,686.20. Okay, so bumaba, no? And then titingnan natin yung trade discount, yeah? So LP minus NP, so 38,500 minus 24,686.20, and that the trade discount is 13,813.80 pesos. So yun po yung ating trade discount na from doon sa 38,500. Alright, so this is your activity to answer. Yan. So, that's activity number 1. You have to solve the following. No? So, you have 4 problems given, and then try to answer this. Pwede kayo magpatulong sa inyong mga kaibigan, kaklase. No? And then, activity number 2. Okay. So, we have also 4 set of problems. So, this is the discount series. Yung kanina, single rate discount lang yon, but this one is the discount series. Thank you very much, class. No, thank you very much for watching. All right, so ayan. Solve nyo to using the technique that I have discussed. Okay, so once again, thank you very much. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. God bless.